Hello viewers, how are you all? I am sure that you all will be blessed by the blessings of Allah Ta'ala. As you know that I bring such videos for you daily in which home decoration, home kitchen decor and living room. Hi guys, this is amazing nice looking of your favorite home interior and home decoration ideas. Today's video is also going to be very interesting for you, in which it will tell you how you can decorate your kitchens, small kitchens with small decoration kitchens which look very beautiful, in which you can decorate your kitchen cabinets and spots. From this you can, if you can enjoy, if you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. It is great videos of your favorite home interior decoration ideas, latest designing.